know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. I go on. I hope everybody good in the Sunday. You see me? We just there. A whole little vibes. I call it Easy Sunday. And then we are going to go some booms and talk a little bit about a very serious topic. So, dancehall superstar Tony Rebel and daughter Davianah come out and say she was sexually molested by her brother, which you know say her brother are the same father of it. You see me? So Tony Rebel's son. Boy, what a thing I go on in the family. January star, I kind of feel a way. I don't even know where to approach this story right now. So, make we start off by reading the post that Davianah posted on her Instagram for the whole world to see what go on.
I was molested by my brother from I was 9 till my first year of high school. He told me he had a friend that liked me, and I started talking to him, and then he just stopped. I had no idea how to even say it to anyone. It was during one of my famous ass whoopings after my father told me he was going to send me away. I sat on the floor with my clothes ripped off and bruises oozing blood and responded to him, "Well, since I'm going away and I'm never going to see you again till I'm 18, you should know, bleep bleep, he used to feed me up when he thought I was sleeping." He called my brother and he said, he doesn't know what I'm talking about. He has his girlfriend. My father called me a lying bitch and continued to whoop my ass. My mother didn't say much. It wasn't until I was much older, during my squabbles with my brother, I started to confront him. Whenever he started to get disrespectful, or even when we physically fight, I would just start screaming at him how he was nobody because he used to feed me up and he thought I didn't know, but I do. He would always walk away. Once I went there, he was mute. I remember arguing with him at the office one day and I started saying, "You're nobody, don't forget you used to feed me up." And I heard my eldest sister say, "Lord Davo, you not get over that yet." So I was shocked out of my mind because as far as I knew where that was concerned, I was a lying bitch. So I went to her and said, "You know, if you know everybody else knows, then..." She said, "Look for when everybody find out, say, I did true your talk. You'll forget over that now." I just walked out and left. I remember for years just walking around hoping that someone would just rescue me, take all my pain, help me understand, help me go through whatever the fuck I was going through. I felt like I was the cursed child. My uncle plays the guitar on this one, and I remember my mind just being in complete chaos. And he called me out in the yard to just freestyle. When he started playing, as soon as he started, the first thing I said was, "It's getting deep. I'm going under. Please come rescue me." Back to you, Chaddy.
So people, are some serious allegation that, you know, and there's a bag of things she talk right there, so you see me? And she post it on her Instagram. She post it on her page. So who is we if you say a lie she a tell, which I doubt it any stupid person watch that video. No stupid person watch that video to just forward and say, "Yo, that girl is a liar," or whatever. But it's a technical situation and this is happening to a lot of people in a Jamaica. You see me? I'm matter of fact around the world, but at Jamaica we are talking about right now. Where family members have been molest the youths, them molest the little kids, whether it be sister, brother, or cousin, or stuff like that. You see me? And I feel like say it kind of weird because the parents don't really talk to their kids about certain stuff and talk to them about certain things, and then boy, it kind of two-sided because when the kids them go to the parents and say, "Yo, daddy, you know say so and so do that to me," them say a lie. Because in that case, Davianah did went to Tony Rebel and say, "Yo, daddy, you know say him do me that." And what did Tony Rebel do? Beat her and call her a lying bitch. Jaja. Yo. It's one way. But people, she also have a song a promote when you rescue me. I guess when she did that post, she put the link in her bio. I don't want to say she use her story for publicity for the song. I don't know, but when me check out the song is a pretty nice song. So people want to check it out. So here is Davianah, Rescue Me.
It's getting deep, I'm going under. Please come rescue me. It's getting deep, I'm going under. Please come rescue me. Now is the time, I need a shoulder. Please come rescue me.
Yo, alright, you see a bag of emotions are come out in that song there. You see me? So, yo, I don't know, and I am not to judge. Me just bring the story towards Uno. Uno can tell me what you think in the comment section. And people, please, yo, Uno safeguard on the kids. Uno talk to the kids about certain stuff. And if Uno kids forward to Uno and say, yo, you know, say that I go on, don't shun them, don't run them. Uno listen and investigate for yourself, yo. You never know. Sometimes some people Uno bring in our life, yo. Sometimes even some man wanna carry in our life and all these things. Anyway, still, as I say, let me know in the comment section below. We now go to expound on the topic here.
It's desperation in your corporation. Please call 119. Humiliation, personal invasion got me out my mind. I never thought it would be such emergency.
So people, me have a next serious topic to talk about. Yo, Jano, when me watch that video here, me know a lot of Uno I go laugh. A lot of my subscribers them I go laugh, but it's a serious matter. And the video kind of funny one way, but it's still serious. So people, wanna check out that video here.
Me not doing nothing at all, you know, my girl. Me not doing nothing, you know, me left come America and see me a try sort out there in your life, you know. And for we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we have come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me pick them in a month. Then find me dead in the house and tell me pick them in a month. Then daddy love them, you know. And then daddy will try and then daddy always make sure they have something, you know. Me I beg you to tell them, you know. Me I beg you tell them in a month. I beg you tell me picking them in a car. God knows I mean I deserve this, you know. Me try, you know. Me try every fucking thing. Me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just put $1 together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just make sure some have something down there. And this one come do me everybody plan up and this one come. You a fall person. Me never turn never on you yet no matter what. If you're sick, right then you say this, me go find money.
Cause a boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no girl. Cause a boy like we not mad. No. We not mad over no girl.
Yo, Jano Star, yo, me feel it for the umber. When me say me feel it for the umber, me mean like, me feel it and for no say I know me. And you know what, the youth can man up still, you know. But then again, you have to pre things on a different level. Probably at a way that him can bring across him anger instead of go catch the girl and you hear say neck over this and body down this so. You don't get what me I say. You see me? So probably that way that him best him display in emotions where no one get hurt. But ladies, man, you stop play with man. Stop playing with the brother them no man. Jano Star. You know I got yo the man they have foreign work. The man say I clean shit and all these things. And if you know say she the yard I give it away. And every day me can imagine just every day the umbre just a join Western Union line and I just send down in little dividends. And as a man I say yo him keep back everything. Yo, Jano Star. So people, you know say, through me feel like said yo, the youth never deserve that. So me myself go do some investigation. Cause I want to find this Munchie. I want to find her. You see me, because a girl I need a broadboard cross her head. Yo, a joke, don't lick nobody pitney. But anyhow, here is Munchie. Cause I find Munchie. See Munchie here.
Me a girl, me not really like people, man. I just like going at people's life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go. I just like to go and take over. So I take a girl, woman, me nah no fear. Not at all, doubly. Not at all. Not at all.
So talk the truth now. Talk the truth. Which life she can go in and mash up? want to comment it in the comment section. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you don't like this video, don't hesitate. Just left a like. Just left a like on this video. Please, me a beg you know. And people, if you don't have it subscribed to me already, just click the subscribe button and hit that post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out of here.